Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Grafana on CentOS 9 Stream. Before installing any tools on your CentOS 9, you should first update your RPM packages. Next, to be able to install Grafana with Yum, you need to add the official Grafana repositories to your local Yum allowed repositories. Create a new file named grafana.repo. Then, we will run the following command to add the repository to the file we have created. Insert the following lines. Save your file and update your repositories one more time. Now that your repositories are linked to Grafana's official repositories, you are ready to install the latest version of Grafana on CentOS 9. To install Grafana, run the following command. Make sure to press Y when you are asked if you want to install Grafana. You will also be asked if you want to import the GPG key from Grafana. Hit Y to proceed with the installation. By default, Grafana created a systemd service for you. You are going to make sure that the service was created, but you are also going to use it as a way to determine where files and folders are located on your host. To inspect your Grafana service, run the following command. This file is very important because it gives you much more information about your Grafana instance. And here's the content of the environment variable file. Also, a Grafana user and group were created for you on your instance. Those credentials will be used to access and modify some of the files related to Grafana. Next, start the Grafana service and enable it to start on boot. Check the status of the Grafana service. You can see your Grafana server is now up and running. Next, before configuring your Grafana server, you are going to open port 3000 via TCP on your server. Grafana uses the port 3000 for web administration. As a consequence, the web interface may be inaccessible if you don't open this port. To open the port 3000, run the following command. Make sure that everything is correctly set. Now that everything is configured properly, you should be able to have a look at the Grafana web UI. To open the Grafana web UI, navigate with your web browser. As a reminder, the default port for Grafana is 3000. You will be presented with this screen when launching the application for the first time. The default login for Grafana is admin and the default password is also admin. When setting those credentials, you will be asked to change your password. You should now see the default screen for Grafana. You now have Grafana set up with a basic configuration. Go ahead and explore the settings and what you have built.